Hey, hi. So I'm going to be showing you the options for the motifs and the beautiful colors that you can go for. Now, all that you will really need with each one of these, because look at the range of colors. They're absolutely fabulous. We also have many motifs for you to kind of choose from, and some colors are actually, most of them are all neutrals in the way. Now this is the motif that I'm wearing. You can see how amazing it is, very striking, particularly all of these colors in green and purples. So what I was talking about, that neutral to ye colors hain hi, you can wear any dupatta with it. Now look at that, some a little more, like this one could work with a little more colors and in contrast to that, but all in all, such beautiful looks for you to go for. Now, is a dupatta necessary? Like, I would say not really. You can see the full look. Now remember, this bottom is a plain chinia silk bottom. If you want to go, you can also go for a katan silk bottom. I leave it up to you. And pick it up. Wear a light dupatta if you want, from the 18,800 Georgette dupattas. You know, they will look really nice. Even the 26,800 one. I'm going to go without dupatta for this one, for my choice. Now, the other thing that you can do is go for really heavy looks, because when you're going for heavy dupattas, now look at this. This is such a nice soft pink, or isi mein a hot pink, and you can see the whole look right there. That's the amazing one. Would a same on same look nice? Yes, you can make it work, a same on same. But then I would say you go for a more flary or karidar bottom when you're going for flare. Of course, you will see कि कुछ fabrics कम है, कुछ ज़्यादा है. But the joy of all of this is that आप अपने हिसाब से खरीदे by the meter. जितना चाहें utna lena. Some of you may want more, some of you may want less. Both options are there. Now this incredible color, and this is black. Now I'm showing you the same thing in two ways. This is a lighter gold zari, this is a darker gold zari. So ये भी एक option है. मेरे last lot है जो मैं बहुत quickly आपसे, you know, I'm going to just show it to you. This one, it's a very light pinkish kind of a color, or hot red. You know, that's something that you can go for here. Now, when it's the party season and you're wearing it, make sure thoda sa gold accessories, like a chain, like a clutch, like nice shoes. You can add all of that, because it really gives you that complete, very, very chic look, okay? And if you're going to make it traditional, then yes, just get your favorite dupatta and pair it up with that, and yes, wo bhi ho jayega. Now look at that, that's a lovely blue. It's a stunning one. Many of these are last cuts, so that's also something that you have to remember. Yeah, this is the color that I'm wearing as it is. You can see it. That's the color. Right now it's available, and if you want more, sure, we'll make it as much as you need. Now, some more colors. Now, the motif is changing here, and this one is also very, very neutral motif that will work, and wonderful colors. Oh, look at that. Imagine yourself wearing. Now, ये colors ऐसे भी हैं, at day, at night. You can wear, see me, I'm wearing in natural light. You can also wear these colors beautifully, you know, any time of the day. That's also how it kind of works. The same motif coming back, a lovely gold, a green. Now look at that green, very different from the earlier one. And the last one to go is this. Let's see. This stunning shade of gray. Choose any. Now straight kurte ke liye 2.5 meter, that's what you will need. You'll get sleeves also out of that. If you want flare, then you will need 3 meters, like an A line. The bottom can be plain in chinia or katan. Go take your pick now.